Alright guys, this is the video for labeling our measures and highlighting our vocal part for Go Tell It on the Mountain. We got a lot of things going on in our music here. We've got a percussion part at the top. Here's our bold bracket for our vocal line. We've got T and B. Just going to write that a little more bigger so you can see it. And our fancy bracket for the piano. I'm going to circle my page number at the top each time. And we can start by labeling right here at the beginning with measure 1. I'm going to label underneath the percussion just because I don't want to get all up in the percussion stuff. And this does have little helper guides. They're kind of tiny though, like this little square right here. It does say a 5 on the inside. Circle my page number at the top corner. And we left off with 6. This will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you need to number the entire thing. Make sure you are looking anytime you have that bold bracket. That's where you're labeling your vocal parts. You don't worry about anything else but the bold bracket. This, like Mr. Grinch, has some parts where we do sing in unison together, so we're sharing a set of lyrics. So right down here at measure 5, we're sharing, Go tell it on the mountain. We flip the page. Over the hills and everywhere. And then we split off. Basses go on the bottom. But we're basically singing in unison together. So you can just highlight the same vocal part. The only time that we're really going to be split apart is whenever we have this. The tenor singing, and glory shone around him. And the basses are singing at the bottom, ooh. And then we come back together in unison. Okay, so really those oohs, anytime you see that right there, basses, we are definitely going to do that. Okay, be aware there is a repeat sign on page 6. I'm going to label that page 6. There is a repeat sign. So you're going to go back to, I believe you go back to the beginning. Yes. You go back to the beginning. Okay. And we'll talk about that, those repeat signs. So you can put that for right now to kind of get you set up. But remember to label those vocal lines, especially right here. The message rang throughout the land, and the ahs at the bottom, that's going to be the basses. And those tenors have the melody on the top. Okay, so that's your kind of kickstart guide to Go Tell It on the Mountain. Make sure to label all the measures, all the pages, and highlight your part. Help each other out if you need to.